Look at the animal spot. This cow is fat. That horse is thin.
I'm big. You are small. Come on, Spot. Let's play ball. Spot! Spot! Capture! Oh no! Win, Spot! Oh, Max is shot. I am happy. 1, 2, 3. This is fun. Look at me. Look at the animal, Spot. This cow is fat. That horse is thin. Ha ha. Ha ha.
I am big. You are small.
Come on, Spot.
Come on, small. Let's play ball.
Spot, come here. Where is Spot?
Oh,
Oh no.
Max is?
Max is up.
Bravo. 3.
Hi Anne, what are you doing? I am doing the quiz on the internet. It's magic. It's on the computer my Aunt Helen gave me. You're really going to the site to find the answer to each question. Wow, that sounds like fun. How does it work? Let's see. The first question is about Christopher Columbus, the man who discovered America in 1492. The question is, how long was Columbus' first journey across the ocean? Now, I just click on the picture and...
Wow, we're a ship in the middle of the ocean. Maybe this is Columbus' ship. What was its name?
Well, there were 3 ships, the Nina, the Pitna and the Santa Maria. I have an idea. The name is usually right on the side of the ship. I will just look and...
Be careful, Anne. The wind is strong. It's not safe. Don't fall into the... Oh no! This is terrible. Help! What's the problem? My friend fell into the water. Yeah, throw her this rope. Hold the rope, Anne. Give me your hand.
Oh, thank you. You saved my life, Mr.
My name is Christopher Columbus and I'm the captain of this ship. We are crossing the ocean from Spain to Asia. But who are you?
Wow, Christopher Columbus. Hi, I'm Anne, and this is my friend Mike. We are just Thanks again for saving me.
What are you doing on my ship? Well, we're trying to find the answer to... Oh, look, Captain, there's a sailor behind you. They look very angry.
I'm scared, Mike. Let's hide while Columbus talks to those sailors.
Bravo.
Oh no, how can we help Columbus? I don't know. Wait, look over there. There's a land. Let the Columbus go. Look, everyone, land! I see land! I knew it took 5 days, but there it is, the coast of Asia. I was right. What time is it? Thank goodness Columbus is safe. Yes, but I don't understand. Columbus didn't get to Asia. He discovered America. That's right. But he thought he was Asia. And now we've got the answer to our question. Columbus' first journey across the ocean, he took 5 weeks. Let's go home now before there's more trouble.
Bravo.